Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining thank you for watching our video. We are Team VIP World. On the call, we have Kazim, Brooke, Paul, and Ishan, myself. And we are here to tell you about how to install Zoom on your phone application, on your computer application, or how to join using the phone calls. So we'll go in detail with the methods. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.
Okay, so Ishan, for the mobile phones, so I would say for mobile phones, if we start off, let's start off with mobile phones, which is easier. For mobile phones, go into your apps, into your different app stores and install the Zoom Cloud application. Then once you click on the meeting link, the link invite, that would prompt you to open the app. Just accept. And then I think it puts the meeting ID straight away where the meeting ID should be. And then they just swipe, use their fingers to swipe right to look for the join meeting button and follow the process, I guess.
Yeah, to install the Zoom app on phones is pretty easy. It's very simple to. I mean, people who are using the mobile phone installing app, it's a piece of cake.
It should be for them, for most of them, because they will have installed something before. And if they can't, they should get a sighted person to help them install that.
Well, whoever use WhatsApp, they can manage to use this as well.
Exactly.
Because, yeah, if they can use WhatsApp, this is the piece of cake.
The same thing.
Because also, if we have their telephone number, we can always send them the link for this on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
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 So that's the app done. So the telephone option is that you are going to be given a telephone number and the access code to log in. So dial the telephone number, and then it's going to request for the access code. Type that in, then hash, and then one more hash, and you'll be in.
Yeah.
Now for the phone, okay, so we've done the app, we've done the phone, and then for the PC.
Yeah, for the PC, there are two aspects. One is that you get a link and you just click on it and you can open it on the browser, or you can install the Zoom application on your system. So first we'd like to go with the browser option. You have the link of the call. You click on it. Once you click on it, there will be a page that has that will show some link options. You press insert F7 and you can go through the links. In those links, you can either install the Zoom application, or you can say log in with the browser. If you choose browser link, there'll be another page that will open up and it will ask you two things: the passcode for the call and your name to join in. So it's very simple. The only thing is, in this option, you have to know the passcode of the call, which will be shared by the organizer of the meeting anyway.
That's right. Okay, so Ishan, when they choose the first option, which is to install the app, I think from experience, two things are going to happen. One is it's going to ask if they want to run the file, and the other is if they want to save the file.
Yeah.
So if they choose to save the file, then that means the application, the executable file will be dropped. Hey, bring your voice down a bit, kiddies. Thank you. So if they choose to save, then that means they would need to go and locate the file wherever files are saved when they download from the internet. That could be confusing for some, but because in some situations it downloads onto the desktop, in other situations it goes into the download folder. So depending on, we are assuming that they know where their files go to when they download from the net.
I think the best way, Kazim, is to just accept the run option.
And the best way, so the other option would be
rather than
run.
saving it, run.
Exactly.
So otherwise you've got to go into downloads and then run it.
Exactly.
It might not go to the download folder. You see, depending on how it's set up.
It might not go there. In some people's situation, it goes to the desktop.
Yeah, but if you say save, if you say save, it automatically goes there. You got to save as to send it to the desktop.
Brooke, Paul.
Yeah.
And I tell you, if, on some people's computer, it goes to the last folder that they've used.
Okay.
So if you download something and you download it into your documents folder, the next time you attempt to download, it will put it in your documents folder.
Yeah.
Unless you retrain the machine back to tell it put it in.
To avoid all this confusion, the best thing is to run it as soon as they got the option to run. Yeah.
But it will automatically then save it.
You mean the run?
Yeah,
no, if you run it, it will automatically save the execute file anyway.
Yeah, it does.
No, it saves it in the temporary folder, in the temp folder.
No, in the downloads folder. I don't know, mine does anyway.
Or not all, I don't think it does that all the time.
Okay.
I think on most systems, it puts it in a sort of temporary folder for it to run.
Okay.
But in any case, click on the run. So click on the link, choose to save the, to install the app, then click on run, and then it will ask you to give permission whether to install the software, something the Microsoft UX stuff. Then tell that yes, and I think all the other options would be almost like a next, if I'm right. Just let's so again, to recap on that last issue, it says so we do click on install and then run, and then the Windows UAC thing. So that one is yes, and if I'm right, it should then ask you, do you want to install, click next, or is it the terms and condition kind of stuff? You just tick that, click next, and the application is ready to use. And the next time you want to use it, you just type Windows key, and as soon as you start typing Zoom, ZOOM in there, you'll see the app start Zoom app. So you click on that, and that will just open up the same window. So the interface is almost the same across the board, because that window also will just show you a join, sign up, or sign in.
Thank you for watching our video. And if you have any questions, you can get in touch on this number 07424 635213. I can repeat the number 07424 635213. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.